Dan at Green Touch Industries, and today we're going to be mounting the XD105 line spool holder. This is capable of holding from a 1 pound all the way up to a 5 pound spool. Now if you're going to do the 1 pound spool, you're going to mount your backing plate right behind hole number 1. Again, 3 pound would be hole number 2 and 5 pounds hole number 3. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to mount ours, because it's a 3 pounder, in the second hole. Going to line it up. We're going to grab our driver with our self-tapping screws that were provided. And we got one in, get it nice and straight. And we'll mount our other one. Okay, now that part is up, we're going to grab our spool and our cutter. I generally use the bottom hole. Put our spool on here. Slide it all together. And then we'll put our tightening nut on it so we keep some tension on it. And that's all there is to mounting the XD105. What I like to do, we'll take this plastic off, is I bring the line back around like this. Well, first of all, I'll show you how you cut it. That makes your cut. Nice flush cut. And then I bring it around, lock it in position, tighten down my bolt. That's all there is to it. That's the XD105 line spool holder. We always appreciate your business, and stay original.